Hey man, what's good y'all boys? Look, I'm be showing y'all boys how to use this new 2K22 mod, the ball and hoop all-in-one. It's literally all the ball and hoops 2K22 mods all in one mod. It come with a greener, all the clothes, all the shoes, mascots, the skeleton mascots, all the other mascots from previous years, like everything on NBA 2K22, you'll have every animation, dunk package, shoes, clothes, contact dunks, animations, over 130 jump shot celebrations, everything in the game that haven't even come out yet for the next seasons, all the way up to season 6. Literally, you have it all right, like off the rip with this mod. So I'm gonna be showing y'all boys how to use it, what's all in. But look, if y'all wanna learn how to download these mods and how to do everything, all the technical stuff, join the Ball and Hoop Discord. The link will be at the top of the description. Join the Discord and everything you need to know. There's plenty of videos in there, even some of my own personal videos in there showing y'all how to download and do everything step by step. But in this video, I'm gonna be showing y'all boys just how everything works, what's all in the mod. So, oh yeah, and also right now, bro, they got a free key out right now. But them boys got a free key so you can use the mods for free right now. I don't know how long the free key gonna be out, but when they do go away and the free key is not available no more, if you wanna purchase the mod, everything you need to know on how to do that will be in the Discord. So join the Discord, link is in the top of the description. But look, right now I'm finna load up the mod. So what I can do, I can show y'all boys how everything works. First thing you wanna do, you wanna load up 2K. Before you do anything, when you download the mod, first thing you wanna do is load up 2K. Once you load up 2K, so sadly, very unfortunately, the audio for this portion of the clip got cut out. I don't know how, but it did. So I'm gonna just kind of talk over. Y'all can see me in the background talking. So what you wanna do, you wanna go into Discord and you wanna go to the free keys section, and then you wanna copy that key and paste it in the mod. Make sure at the end it's not a space at the end. If it's a space at the end, it's gonna say key failed. All you gotta do is hit backspace. And then look over this clip and you'll see everything that I'm turning on. These are mods, like all the stuff that I'm turning on, you have to turn this stuff on before you go to the part. So load up 2K, log into the mod, and click on all the features I just turned on, and you should be good. Oh, and drop a like on the video. Alright, so once you got all the main mods loaded, like once you got all the main mods turned on, then you want to load into the part. I got plenty of players, like 99, like I said, bro, you literally 99 everything with any build. I'ma load up my 5'7" guard. Cause the 5'7" with the mods is insanely fast. The 7'3" is too, but the 5'7" is just crazy. So I'm gonna load up my 5'7". Once you load into the part, as y'all can see, man, level 40, 99 overall finesse finisher. You can change the name of your build. I'm gonna show y'all how to do all of that. You can change the name of your build, change your profile, like you can change the name of your account, everything, bro. Like you literally, and then you have every badge in the game. You have everything unlocked. Now look, when you come here and you go to progression, you won't be a 99 overall here, but as you can see in the top left corner right there, you are a 99 overall. It just don't show in your stats. Same thing with your badges. They don't show that you have all the badges, but you have all the badges. Like if you go to play next game, go to 2K card, and then go to your badges, boom, you literally have every single badge in the game, Hall of Fame, in every category, 18, 20, 18, and 14, all Hall of Fame. Is crazy. Unlimited Gatorade, Gym Rat, you like, bro, 99 speed, 99 excel, 99 strength, vertical, stamina, 90, you got all the boosts, Gatorade. You literally have everything in the game unlocked. Now you see right there, it just turned me back to level 13. When you go into like all the stats and stuff, when you mess with the progression and all of that, it'll do that. So what you need to do is, and really you don't need to click all that stuff anyway, but what you need to do after that, if it does do that, come back to the game, hit start, go to my player appearance, hit circle, don't save, and your level 40 gonna be back. And I know sometimes it can be kind of hard to get games, so what you can do, bro, you can make this, you can make yourself custom, or you can change your overall to whatever you want. You want to be a 0 overall, any number between 0 and 255. You can be any level between 0 and 40. The walk on crazy speed, this is crazy. Like you turn this on and you start moving, and you literally got super speed, and you walking, and you basically moving at supersonic speed, bro. Getting into this part right here. So you want to hit read right here, and you can change your game ID, which is like your profile name, so you can make it like whatever you want. Your name is, you can change that. You can put the blimp on. You can put the blimp on, so when you load into a new part, you can change your build name to whatever you want. You can change your build name. You can change your takeover. You can teleport. You hit that, and it'll take you wherever you teleport to, wherever you want to go. You can put a park logo above your head. You can change your player panel. You can do pretty much everything just from this feature right here. Offline mods like play now, stuff like that. You can change all of this stuff. Everything is pretty self-explanatory. So if you want to learn how to use everything, you can go in here and just mess with it, and then it'll all make sense. Because the way the menu is laid out very simple, very clean. So you'll know exactly what you're doing whenever you're doing it, no matter what feature you're using. Then you got the MYCAREER feature. So if you want to grind a build, or you want to get a legit 99 overall, you can come in here, you can give yourself max takeover, 18 make grade. If you want to farm VC, whatever you want to do, you can do it right here with this mod, right here in this feature. clothing mod, so you can change your clothes. So in this game they got clothing ID, so you hit read and it show you all the clothes you got on, and you can do this with any clothes you have on. You can copy this code and just paste it in these slots, and it'll put the clothes on that you choose, and then you hit change when you're done and you change your clothes. It's that easy. Perfect shot automatic greener. Now look, y'all gotta be safe with this. Now if you using this greener, this is the online greener. So when you in park game, stage, pro-am, anything, you have to use this greener. But if you in the my court, you have to use this greener. But when you in the my court, make sure you turn this off before you go back to the park. Because if you turn this offline greener on and you go to the park and you play, it's gonna kick you out and it's gonna keep closing your 2K. It's gonna make it be weird. So make sure y'all using the right greeners at the right time. Team mods, literally, like this mod got everything all packed in one. My team mod, online, park, my career, everything, bro. So with this mod, I personally haven't used it yet, but if you play my team, like I said, everything is pretty self-explanatory, easy. If you want to know how to use it, like I said, join the Ball and Hoop Discord. Everything is in there. Game is running, perfect release, unlocked. You can put on the 3v3 mod, 5v5, tactical board, anything you want. That's a quick rundown of every single thing in the whole mod menu. Like I said, all in one has a free key right now, so y'all want to use it for free, join the Ball and Hoop Discord, link in the top of the description. Go in there, get that free key, and go crazy. But look, we finna hop into one game, finna play a game, show y'all boys that everything worked. 99 overall, 99 speed, excel, Gatorade, everything works. Yeah, we finna play a game and we finna go crazy. Bro, I almost forgot to show y'all, literally, bro, every layup package, every single dunk package, you get all of the contact dunks, all of them, park alley-oop dunks, park contact dunks, every single dribble move, everything, literally everything unlocked. Like, piece of clothing in the game. It's so many, bro. It would take you probably, like, just to scroll through all the shirts and get to like all of the shirts, it will probably take you a good 15 minutes to scroll through all the shirts, hats, accessories, every single mascot in the game. Like, you, like, literally everything, even the skeleton, you got literally everything in the game unlocked. And I'm gonna show you off the greener, show y'all that 99 everything works, show you that everything works how it's intended to work, everything works properly. We finna go crazy. Now look, we ain't coming out here to sweat or nothing like that, so I don't know what he on. He probably finna go crazy. Oh, got him. Green. Oh my goodness. Then I got JUMPSHOT 3 on the fastest base in the game, bro, and you're not gonna miss wide open. I'm greening. I just got my green animations off, so y'all can't see it, but as y'all can see, I'm getting my jump shot landing every time. Bruh, it's crazy. It's actually people back there playing on the twos. That's wild. Oh my gosh, we dunking too. Hey. Oh my gosh, where he going? It made me stop and shoot a 2. I tried to go dunk that, but still, we greening everything. We're gonna finish everything in the paint. Where he going? Green, come on, we locked in, we going crazy. Where he going? Green. You can even shoot fades with this bit. Now, I wouldn't recommend shooting fades every time in the fades. Like, the green is good, but it's not that OP, but it's really good. But you can shoot fades too, and I got sharp tape. Green. Oh my goodness. Bro, this green is the best green out right now. I'm not gonna lie to you. Fader. Green. Oh my goodness, boy, we going crazy. Oh my gosh, why he jumping? Green, that's game. And just that quick, that just goes to show how valid these mods is. 99 everything, speed, acceleration, get all of 99 speed, 99 excel, 99 everything, Gatorade, double Gatorade, unlimited Gatorade, jump shot boost. Y'all go down below in the description, join the Ball and Hoop Discord so y'all can learn how to download it. And I just showed y'all, gave y'all every reason why y'all should go download it and play with it. But man, look, I love y'all boys, man. Hit 5K, appreciate all that love. I'm finna step up and get out of here. These boys trying to sweat, man. But I love y'all boys, man. It's your boy Table T, and I'm out.
Hey, where's